We'll conquer this snowy mountain together.
Papa, the wind is so strong.
Stay close, the trail is disappearing. The peak still waits for us. Come on, we're almost there.
I can't do it, Papa!
Yes, you can. We're in this together. We'll cross it together, paw in paw. Hold hands, hands! Run forward quickly! We've made it this far. Let's finish this together. We're almost there, little cat. Keep going. We made it. Together. Together.
We did it, Papa.
Yes, we did. This is just the beginning. We'll face every challenge together. We've conquered it together.
It's so beautiful up here, Papa.
It is, my little one. It's our reward for everything we've been through. We've made it down, and soon, we'll be back home.
We've made it through the hardest part. Soon, we'll be home.
We did it. Together. The hardest part is behind us. We're almost there.
It feels so quiet here, Mama. It's nature's way of welcoming us back.
We're almost there. Just a little longer. We've made it home. We're almost home. Just a little longer.
I can't wait to see our home. It's so beautiful here, Papa.
Home, at last. We've made it through everything, and now we're home. Rest now, little one. We're home.
Mama, I'm so tired. I'm glad we're home.
We'll all rest soon, dear. We've made it through everything, together.
And now, we have each other.
I love our home.
And we love you, little cat. This is our home. This is where we'll always be together.
Sleep well, little one.